This is a demonstration of smoothdraw4. smoothdraw4 will be used to make your video modules for your classroom. I have opened up smoothdraw on my desktop and it's already located in my system tray, but you will see that I have the smoothdraw icon located on my desktop. By default, when you open up smoothdraw, your canvas, which is the area in which you will be writing, will be in white. For the purposes of this demonstration, we're going to change this to black. I will select black here in my foreground colors. Then I will take my mouse and select this down arrow key and select the button fill. Once I have that selected, I will click on the canvas and turn it into black. Now, if you start to draw on this and you make a mistake, what will happen is that you'll actually erase the black background, and we don't want that to happen. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a layer to actually write on top of the background. To create a layer, you're going to take your mouse cursor over to the section that says Layers and click on the button that says Commands. Notice how that there is a down arrow right next to that option. I'm going to select that and then add a new layer. Now I can take my cursor, as you notice I am still on the fill selection, and I'm going to change it to pen number 1. I'm going to keep my brush size the same and my ink flow the same, and I am going to write my name in this section once I change the color. Go back over to your foreground colors again. I'm going to select red. Notice how the color does change here at the top, and now I will write my name. Okay. Now let's say that after we've done our demonstration, we have a good bit of information on our canvas, but we don't want to erase anything. We can add an additional layer and then turn layer 1 off. To do that, what we would do is go back to layer 1, and you'll notice that there is a small little eyeball right next to layer 1. If we click on that, it'll disappear, and now we're ready to work on layer 2. If you notice that your pen has a slight delay, you can change the sensitivity, which we will do in another video. For this purpose of this video, what I did was I am using an external tablet called a Bamboo, and you'll see another video on that shortly. Once you've done all of your screen annotations and everything, you can go back over to the File menu and you can save it as an actual picture if you want to use it for screenshots. By default, it's going to automatically want to save as a smoothdraw document, but if you want to use your smoothdraw documents in another program, you can select the down arrow button and select either a Windows bitmap, which will work in Microsoft Paint. You can save it as a JPEG, as a picture, or a GIF. You can also save it as a PNG file. For the purpose of this demonstration, I will not be saving, so I will say cancel. Once I'm done, I can exit out of the program by going up here to the close button. It's going to ask you, do you want to save the picture? And I'm going to say no. And it will take me back to my desktop. This concludes the demonstration of smoothdraw4.